Alright guys, today I'm doing a sort of Instant Pot sort of quick tip or something. I don't know what to categorize it as, but it's actually kind of neat. This chicken is about to expire, so if you want to make something last longer, you cook it. It actually will prolong its life as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook all of this up in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to actually season it and everything, and I'm going to actually use the button. There is a special button for meat stew. There's a special button for poultry as well. So I'm going to use that new button and see if it actually cooks really well. So I'm going to add onions and of course herbs and stuff like that, and then season it really well. So stay tuned. I'll be back. So there it is, all seasoned, ready to go now. So I'm going to add the water to it, and then I'm going to cover it up with the lid and then hit the button right here that says poultry. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Guys, just want to show you the chicken is all done. As you can see, it's even fallen off the bone, and that was about only 12 minutes or so. You can see there, it's fallen off the bone. It's like really done. Actually really quick and fast. Now this chicken will last me another week probably. Like I said, it nice and prolong your life of your meats this way. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below and subscribe to the channel.